Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see your Roblox ID. The Roblox ID is going to be a bunch of number. So basically, let me show you guys how we guys can see those numbers. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World for future videos like this. And let's move on with the video. So you can do this only on your browser. So if you're using your phone, you cannot do that. But you can do this step on your phone's browser, but not in the app version of Roblox. Alright, so that's why I'm going on my Google Chrome, but you can use whichever browser you want on your browser. You want to go to Robloxcom. Once you go to Robloxcom, it will ask you to log into your account. But I've already logged into my account. That's why it's bringing me over here. And once you guys have logged into your account, what you can do is click on this tree line over here. Once you click on it, you can see your profile over here. So click on Profile. Once you click on Profile, it's going to bring you to your Roblox account's profile. Now once you're over here at the top of your browser, you can see this number over here. So the number between user / and / profile is going to be a user ID. So make sure that the number is between your user / and profile / alright. So this is going to be a user ID, so this is my user ID, do 791,349,471. Your number is going to be different, but that's basically how we guys can see your user ID of a Roblox. Alright, when you see over here is called your username. So don't get confused between username and user ID. User ID is a number and username is basically the name which you chose for your Roblox account. Alright? So I hope you guys understand and how we guys can watch your user ID in Roblox. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time, but until then.